corn silk. Inside the corn of the cob, you see that white stringy stuff? It kind of looks yellow right now. Mine does because the lighting. But that is the corn silk inside the corn on the cob, that white stringy stuff. That is powerful medicine, guys. Don't throw it away. Make a tea or make a tincture. It does so many things. This is another one that will take gout away. It has so many wonderful properties, this corn silk. It reduces the pain associated with gout. So if you drank 3 cups of corn silk tea a day, once the pain was gone, you could cut it back to 1 cup a day. And it would only take a few days of drinking the tea, and the gout would go. The gout will go with the corn silk. It reduces blood sugars. It treats bedwetting. Helps cope with kidney problems. Does so much, guys. It boosts your digestion, controls bleeding, so has a bunch of vitamin K in it. We need that. Increases your urine, so that's good. That'll make your liver nice and healthy, flushing things out of your body. It provides many, many nutrients. It treats rashes and boils. Like, you could make a tea and put it on a boil. It does like so much for it. And put it in a spray bottle and spray it on your eczema or eczema. How do they say it? Eczema or eczema? Just kidding. I get eczema. And this does work. Make a tea, put it in a spray bottle, spray that on at night. Ooh, lovely. There's so many things you can do with it. Tincture is very, very powerful. The tea in this is very, very powerful too. And you know what? It tastes like corn on the cob. Yes, it tastes exactly like corn on the cob. So when you have a tea, it's like a cup of corn on the cob tea. It's really lovely. So next time you're shucking some corn, keep the hair. Well, it's the silk. But I picked up a bag from these grocers, people that have a grocery store. They saved me their corn silk. Shout out to On the Vine. I love you for the corn silk. And she put the label on the bag. She called it corn hair because it does look like hair. So corn silk, guys, many, many, many health benefits to it. Next time you're getting some corn on the cob, keep that stuff, make a tea. Okay, have a good night. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, guys. And like my videos. And subscribe. Thank you so much for helping me keep the wild medicine alive. Corn silk.